My name is Anushka, and today we are going to teach you very useful technique which is called Jalaneti Kriya. Jalaneti Kriya is using a water and using a pot and cleaning your nose, and this will be helpful in getting rid of any kinds of breathing related issues or mental related issues and physical related issues. So this is a simple technique which everybody can perform except small children and those who have paralyzed issues and those who have excessive of bleeding issues and those who have undergone any kind of nose related surgeries. So except those, everybody must perform this kriya, which is very useful in this polluted environment. So all you need is this little tiny pot which is available in any organic stores, or you can buy it from Amazon or Flipkart. So buy this pot as per your requirement. Teach this technique to everybody at home, those who have been suffering from cough or phlegm issues or congestions or any kind of breathing related issues, and those who are performing any physical activities. First perform this kriya, which is very helpful in cleaning your nose and bringing out all the dust and pollutions which gets accumulated every day. So order this pot. All you need is half a liter of water, and to that water just add 1 tablespoon of salt and lukewarm it. It should be in the temperature of lukewarm, that's all, because you are pouring that water into your nose. So you shouldn't boil or you shouldn't heat the water. Just warm the water and use that half a liter of water to do this kriya. This kriya will be taught to you by Mr. Dayanand Salian, and follow every stage, starting from how you have to bend and how you have to pour the water into your nose and how you have to bring out any water which has gone inside. The third stage is very useful for you. If you just leave out the water inside, it will give you little extra headache during the day. So after you perform this kriya, bring out any water which has gone inside and then perform your regular activities like walking or Surya Namaskara, Yogasanas, or any kinds of breathing exercises like pranayama and all, you perform regularly. So by cleaning your nose, this will give you a best result to whatever physical exercises you are doing. So please subscribe to our channel for more such informations and click on that bell icon so that every time we upload any new videos, you will get notifications immediately and instantly. Please learn this very easy technique for your betterment of your health. Thank you. I have taken little warm water in the neti pot, and for that you need to bend little forward and you can start the kriya. You should only open your mouth and breathe. You should not breathe in through your nostril. You should really seal the right side nostril and the water will come out. It may take 3 seconds for the water to come out. And let me explain to you what are the benefits of doing Jalaneti Kriya. This Neti Kriya removes all the dirt and bacteria filled mucus from within the nose. It also helps to drain the sinus cavities. This in turn will help to reprogram the body's natural mechanism against nasal infections such as hay fever, allergies, sinusitis and other upper respiratory complaints. It is also beneficial for illness such as asthma and bronchitis, as it reduces the tendency for mouth breathing by freeing the nostrils of mucus. And it has a cooling and soothing effect on the brain by drawing out excessive heat, and therefore beneficial for headaches, migraine, epilepsy, temper tantrums, depression and mental tensions. And it also has a subtle effect on the pineal and pituitary glands, which controls the hormone systems, and this has a harmonizing effect on emotional behavior too. Now we'll show you how to dry the nose, which is really very important. Never neglect to do this part. People with high blood pressure should be careful of this part. If dizziness results when draining the nose, drying should only be done standing upright. So first bend forward from the waist and hang the head upside down with the nose pointing towards the floor. Gently breathe in the mouth. Breathe out through your nose for 10 times. A few drops of water may run down. So this is the one way of draining your nose. Now he'll show you other way of draining the nose. This is a brisk exhalation.
Stop.